What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully everybody's doing great. In today's agenda, we got a fast boy here. Look at him. Anyways, sorry. In today's agenda, we are taking the Q50 to get a remote start. Now you may be asking yourself, well, why won't you do it yourself? Isn't that what your channel is about? I'm like, yeah, maybe, yeah. But there's some stuff that you just gotta leave to the professionals, to people that do it for a living. And yeah, that's what we're doing. Hopefully it won't bore you guys too much. I mean, probably won't be a long video either, because I'm not doing the install myself, and I want to have something done professionally, nicely done. And if something fucks up, I can just take it back. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. We have arrived, so I will get back to you guys once the install is done. Yep. All right, so the install's already done. Look at this beauty. Oh, another thing that I forgot to show you guys. Well, I'll leave it for after this. So we got our COMPUSTAR engine start bullshit, remote start, blah blah blah. Let's see how this stuff works real quick. That'll be nice and fancy. The coat's almost gone, but yeah, that should work perfect. Love it. I know it's nothing really exciting, but hey, it's something. Another thing, I actually just got the car back yesterday. I was getting paint corrected. The guy still needs it back. I think we said next week, because he wants to retouch some stuff. The trunk looks brand spanking new again. And I mean, it looks way better now. Way better than it did. Even the fenders right here, the quarter panels. And yeah, but we looking much better, boys. Now I'm thinking of getting storage or something to store it, so I don't have to go through that bullshit again. But yeah, it looks like a pretty clean install for the most part. Well, except besides this. I don't like how you can kind of see it from here. Well, you gotta be down here to see it, whatever. But yeah, that's whatever. Anyways, nobody knows it's there. But I mean, all in all, it wasn't bad, and for the price, I can't complain. Honestly, it was pretty. I mean, probably paid more for the actual part than the install, which is nice. It's cool though. But I'll show you guys again how it is that this thing works. Let's see if it'll do it like that. There, it's locked. Then we hit it, hold it. I think he said it won't start like that. Yeah, he did say it won't start because the hood is open. So let's close this. Alright, that's closed. Now we go try it again. There we go. Hey. Yeah, that one has an alarm too, but not the same shit. Yeah, pretty fancy. I know. It's been in the works for a while, so it's finally here. Now I just need a couple more stuff and that'll be done for a while. Like I said, this is probably gonna be it for the video. I know it's nothing really exciting or whatever not. I just wanted to give you guys something. I've been slacking on posting and whatever not, but yeah, that's probably gonna be it. Sorry, I got some stuff I'm doing with the G35 soon, and I'll probably start it real quick, like next couple weeks. So yeah, hopefully you guys liked it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, get some merch in the description, and then I'll see you guys on the next one.